We are back out here with the X-MAXX and non-belted tires. Let's see what this does for a speed run. It's super windy out here today, but we got the two 5500 milliamp SMC batteries in there. They're 120C discharge rate. So let's get these connected up, get the GPS on and set up, and let's get it going. All right, we got 12 satellites. We're gonna do track, start. We have telemetry. I'm not gonna lock it because last time I locked it, it got messed up. For those of you who haven't seen this ramp before, that's the KCRC ramp. And we're gonna take this off. I got the screen recording going here, so I just wanna make sure that we're still good. All right, put that in my pocket. Figure, take it off the ramp a little bit, get it warmed up. It is pretty dry out here now, so there is that. That said, oh, my GoPro mount just popped off the back. We'll have to pick that up. But saying that it's dry, this puddle here wasn't really as big as I thought it was, but it's a little bit of a jump to it. So this still has the stock gearing in it, so there is that. Oh. Well, I guess I gotta flip it over, so I might as well grab my GoPro piece. Oh, I broke my front bumper. All right, let's try to land this one. Obviously that landed because I got something going on here. Oh, you know why? Because I'm using the same controller. We got trimmer out. Let's see how we're looking here. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. I wonder if I broke the front bumper just now or last time. That didn't look like I was gonna hit that right. I'm not good at ramps, y'all. I'm just out here having fun. Right at myself. I might have been able to save that, but it didn't happen. Definitely handles different with the non-belted tires on it compared to the belted, that's for sure. Not enough for a backflip. I think I'm gonna have to change the gearing if I want to do backflip. servo upgrade is going to be in the future too. She launches nice, that's for sure. Definitely gonna have to do some suspension tuning. Whoops. All right, before I break something, let's get a speed test going here. So 8S, non-belted tires. With the belted tires, we're at 42. I'll put that on the screen if I still have that. And let's see. We are still tracking and still screen recording, if you guys could see that. Oh, we got a phone call. Decline. Screen record. Okay. Make sure we're still working here. We are. I'm hoping for more than 42. So let's see what we can get. Let's send it down. Well, it seems angrier. Doesn't want to stay straight. Let's trim out a little bit here. And still wants to go that way. I think we got it. Hang on. Let's try that again. One more time. Full trigger. And one more time back the other way. And bring it back in. Now with the tires ballooning, this thing is all over the place. I hope you guys can hear me. This wind is rather crazy. Now give me a second and we'll look at what the speed is. Hopefully it's picking that up. I can't tell. So stop, read, 47. So we gained 5 miles an hour just by going to the non-belted tires. So let me get you back on my head. We'll hit the jump a couple more times with this, and then we got the max out here. Saved it. Would you look at that? A lot of you are probably out there going, this guy's poor X-MAXX. But you know what? You got to learn somewhere, right? I go back to work on Monday, the 17th. So if I break anything, I should hopefully be able to afford it to fix it. We don't want to break anything, but we're gonna have fun. We'll have to tune the shocks up. That was a dive. Man, I feel like I can feel this thing hitting the ground. But yeah, like I said, I go back to work on Monday. So that's exciting. Definitely going to be looking into a steering servo upgrade. Maybe the Perfect Pass servos will come back in stock. Still has that little squeak to it. So I guess we'll run it till the squeak breaks itself out. Sorry, I'm not very talkative today. Not a lot going on in my life. So, it was my wife's birthday on Monday. Oh, we got blue control arms for this. But yeah, my wife's birthday was Monday. So we hung out and did stuff. Today, it's actually Tuesday today, but you guys won't see this video till Thursday. It is in the 70s. Unfortunately, it's a little windy out. Friday's supposed to be almost 80. So. And then Saturday and Sunday, supposed to rain, and Sunday I'll be driving to Richmond, Virginia. Oh, that didn't go as planned. I don't know, maybe there's just some rocks. Sounds like it's smoothed out. Or it just, you know, annihilated the teeth, but it seems all right. Yeah, I think it might have just been some rocks in there. I hear them all clanking up. Sounded like diff gears, but we may have to look at that. Nope. All right, well, I'm gonna put this away before we break it. So I recorded an ending to this video while I was out, but for some reason, the GoPro shut off. And I think I figured out why. I think it's because I had the voice controls on, and I must have said stop or GoPro off or something of that nature. And as you can see, it didn't shut off. That's because I shut the voice controls off. Um, so yeah, I must have did something of that nature to get it to shut off and not record the rest of what I was trying to record. So with that said, I just want to say thank you to everyone that's been watching, liking, commenting, subscribing to the channel. You are all motivating me to keep going out and keep doing this kind of stuff. And also, everyone that's been using the links in the description, I absolutely appreciate it. The Amazon affiliate links, if you click on those, you don't have to purchase the item that's linked. You just do your regular shopping. You just have to click that link, go to the page that it opens, and then do your shopping as normal. And that will give me a credit, and it doesn't cost you guys any extra. And the same thing with the RC Box Club link. If you guys use that link in the description and use code RCBCKyle, it will get you 10% off on the RC Box Club site. So those are two things that I have to offer to you guys that will actually help me as well. And also the small rig affiliate link in the description. That also helps me. So I'm working on another one. I got probably another week or two before I message them back because they were doing some updates on their site and changing things around, and told me that once that was done to message them and we'd get something together. So I'm actually really excited for that one. And I'm kind of hoping that maybe they'll give us a discount code too. But if they just give me an affiliate link, I think you guys will appreciate it as well. So, all right, that's all I got for this one. We'll see you on the next one. Have a good day, guys.